Hello everyone, welcome back to your class 1 science class. We already started this chapter We Need Water the previous day, and we discussed that water is essential for us and we use the water in different kinds of activities. Right, and we discussed some activities also, and which is already in this book in the first page of this chapter, and those things we already discussed with the pictures. And I already told it which is in the next page at page number 50. Here you can see at the first line, that is, all living things need water, and these things I already told you previous day. Hope you all remember it, right? So all living things as need water, but you have to know that what is the main source of water. What is the main source? This main source is rain. So rain is the main source of water. Rain is the main source of water on this earth. And when it rains, we can see in the rainy season, maximum days there is some rainfall, and as the rainy season we called it, and maximum time it's raining. So when it rains, the rain water fills up the rivers, lakes, ponds, seas, oceans, and other streams of water also. So those rain water, as it's raining, the rain water falls. The rain water falls, and the rain water fills up lake, river, ponds, and other streams also. Other streams like sea, ocean, everywhere. And you know the rain, when the rain is falling, that's on the ground also, and on the river, on the lake, on the sea, on the ocean, on the pond, on the drain. So everywhere rain is falling. So we didn't take every water of those streams, right? We didn't take it, but we naturally take the ground water, and after the filtration we drink it, right? But sea water is salty. If most of you or who visited the seaside places, if you got a tour, then you can you got know that the sea water is salty. Sea water is salty, and that's why we cannot drink it. We cannot drink it. But maximum of the people in the earth who take the ground water to drink. And some of the places they can eat the pond water, the water of the lake also, and the rivers also. But groundwater is the main which we drink, and by filtration. Okay. Next is the upper parts of the mountains and covered with snow. These things we can see only the hill area like Darjeeling, Sikkim, and those upper side where is the hill side, which we call the hill station also. So those on those hill station area, hill sides where lot of hills we can see those upper parts of those mountains covered with snow, and during the summer season the snow of those mountains melts. You know, the water when very cold, there are too much cold, that time the water change into ice. So this water on the mountain, they are change into snow, and those snow in the summer season getting heat. Summer season, that's little temperature is high, right? So that's why those ice or those snow melts and it change into water. So those snow or ice of mountain melts in summer season, and it change into water. You can see the board. I write this type like this diagram if you for your better understand. So those mountain of the snow or ice melts in the summer season and change into water. So this water comes down in the form of streams and rivers, and we get to know that there are lots of rivers, falls in the hillside area. So those hillside area, their ice change into water, and those water falls comes down as the water comes to upper part to lower part. So that's why the water comes down like streams and rivers and falls. As we know, if we go there, the hill station, we can see a lot of falls. So that by falls also. So those about this water, which is the rain, is the main source of water, and those rainwater fills those river, lakes, other streams. But we cannot drink every types of water, but we naturally get the we take the groundwater for drinking by filtration, but we cannot take the sea water because that's so salty. And the upper parts of the mountain that's covered with snow, this winter season, if we go there, we can see many of the upper part of mountains there is a white snow, it's covered. But in the summer season, some of the mountains and their snow melts and it's changed into water by getting heat, and it comes down like streams, rivers, falls, like that. Okay. And some water goes to the under the soil, as just I told you. We collected those groundwater for drinking by tube wells, and so we get now some water by the time calls also. Just pumps by the pump also. So not here, we didn't use the well, we used it in the village side area, we can see that. But nowadays we take those by pumps, the water gets up and we get water time by time, right? Those tube or those time calls. So that's time tube wells are also. So these things about for drinking water, which we will discuss on your next class. And till now you have to read about this source of water. So read the source of water and why we need water very attentively. And that's all for today. Have a nice day and bye.